scene opens with a wide shot of a lush green field at sunrise. A brand new John Deere 23-25 tractor sits in the foreground, engine idling smoothly. Welcome to the future of farming with the 2025 John Deere 23-25. Built for power, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology, this compact yet powerful machine is designed to redefine productivity in the field. Whether you're a small-scale farmer or managing large operations, this tractor is engineered to handle tough jobs with ease. Camera zooms in on the tractor's sleek design, showcasing its aerodynamic hood, LED headlights, and durable frame. The John Deere 23-25 features a robust 25-horsepower engine that delivers exceptional performance. With improved fuel efficiency and lower emissions, this tractor ensures maximum output while being environmentally friendly. Its advanced cooling system prevents overheating, allowing for longer hours of operation even in extreme conditions. Cut to a shot of the driver's seat, highlighting the modern dashboard with a touchscreen display. Inside, the 23-25 boasts a state-of-the-art digital control panel, making it easier than ever to monitor fuel levels, engine diagnostics, and performance metrics. With John Deere's latest AutoTrack guidance system, operators can achieve precise row spacing and reduce fuel wastage, maximizing efficiency on every pass. Show a farmer climbing onto the tractor and effortlessly starting the engine. One of the standout features of the John Deere 23-25 is its smooth hydrostatic transmission, ensuring seamless speed adjustments and easy maneuverability. Whether you're plowing, tilling, or hauling, this tractor adapts to your needs with three selectable drive modes: Eco, Standard, and Power, allowing for customized performance based on the task at hand. Cut to a close-up of the rear hitch system as an implement is attached. Versatility is key with the John Deere 23-25. The powerful rear PTO and 3-point hitch system allow for easy attachment of a wide range of implements, from mowers and loaders to seeders and sprayers. With quick connect hydraulics, switching between tasks has never been more convenient. Camera pans over the tractor's tires, emphasizing their durability. The rugged, heavy-duty tires provide excellent traction on all terrains, from soft soil to rocky landscapes. Whether you're working in wet or dry conditions, this tractor keeps you moving without compromising stability or performance. Show a drone shot of the tractor working in the field, seamlessly navigating rows. John Deere's Smart Farm integration takes precision farming to the next level. With real-time data collection and cloud connectivity, farmers can analyze field conditions, optimize inputs, and increase yield potential. The 23-25 isn't just a machine, it's a smart farming solution designed for the next generation of agriculture. Cut to a side-by-side comparison of the 23-25 with an older model, highlighting advancements in efficiency and performance. Compared to its predecessors, the 2025 John Deere 23-25 offers a more powerful engine, enhanced fuel economy, and a refined user experience. It's built for those who demand reliability, durability, and cutting-edge technology in their farming operations. Final shot of the tractor parked beside a barn, engine turning off as the sun sets. The future of farming is here, and it starts with the John Deere 23-25. Strong, smart, and efficient, this is more than a tractor. It's your partner in productivity. Visit your local John Deere dealer today and experience the next level of farming innovation.